What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss back at it again. Today I'm going to be doing my breakfast protein smoothie. I got some silk almond milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. I just like almond milk. I got 2 cups of strawberries and 1 whole banana, right? So it's going to be, I got some 100% whey protein. I'm going to 60 grams per protein and 2 cups of yogurt and 1 cup of ice. So what I'm going to start off first by doing is putting my strawberries in, then just put my whole banana in. I'm going to put 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of ice. So I got strawberry whey protein. You can get vanilla, chocolate, whatever you like to drink. I'm gonna put a scoop and a half. You don't have to like shake it off or nothing. Just pack it in there. So I got 2 cups of Yoplait strawberry banana yogurt. This one shake is about 100 grams of protein. That's one. So I'm gonna just go ahead and be quiet while it's going, so you guys are gonna be able to hear me. It's nice and done and ready. So I know this is a lot, so I got some mason jars. I'm going to just put them in, and I got enough for about 3 days. See, very simple smoothie. Very simple. Get lots of protein. Today's post notification goes to Meathead. If y'all don't know who he is, hey, go check him out. Thanks for tuning into this video. Make sure you like, comment, hey, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you already haven't. Peace out.